Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a travel agency with Expedia, complete guide step by step clearly. Starting a travel agency with Expedia can be an exciting venture. First, research the travel industry to understand the market and potential revenue. Identify your target audience and the services you'll offer, such as flights, accommodations, or tours. Next, create a business plan outlining your goals, budget, and marketing strategies. Decide on a legal structure for your business, whether sole proprietorship, LLC, or corporation. Register your business name and obtain any necessary licenses and permits. Set up a dedicated bank account to keep your business finances separate. Once your business is established, create a professional website to showcase your services. Sign up for Expedia's Partner Solutions program to access their extensive inventory. Familiarize yourself with the Expedia platform, learning how to book travel and manage reservations. Develop relationships with suppliers and other travel partners to enhance your offerings. Implement a marketing plan to promote your agency, using social media and online advertising. Network with other travel professionals to gain insights and build connections in the industry. Offer exceptional customer service to build trust and loyalty among your clients. Collect feedback from customers to improve your services continually. Finally, monitor industry trends and adapt your business strategies to stay competitive. Starting a travel agency with Expedia can be a rewarding journey, offering endless opportunities for growth and adventure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.